Understanding, highlight of my day, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that you might hear in everyday English conversations. Highlight of my day. Understanding such phrases can really help you in becoming more fluent and expressive in English. So, let's dive in and find out what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, highlight of my day, refers to the best or most enjoyable part of someone's day. It's used to describe a moment or event that stood out as being particularly pleasant, memorable, or significant compared to the rest of the day. Highlights can be big or small, from a delicious cup of coffee in the morning to a surprise visit from a friend. Anything that brings joy or satisfaction can be considered a highlight. Now that we know what it means, let's see how to use highlight of my day in sentences. Here are a few examples. Seeing the sunset from the hill was the highlight of my day. The highlight of my day was when I received a compliment from my boss on my work. Catching up with an old friend over coffee was definitely the highlight of my day. Notice how the phrase can be used to talk about different types of experiences that make your day better. Recognizing and talking about the highlights of your day is not just a way to practice your English. It's also a wonderful way to reflect on positive experiences. This can boost your mood, help you appreciate the small joys in life, and make your day-to-day experiences more meaningful. Additionally, sharing these moments with others can encourage positive conversations and help you connect on a deeper level. That's all for today's video on understanding the phrase, highlight of my day. We hope this explanation helps you add more color and emotion to your English conversations. Remember, recognizing the highlights of your day can make a big difference in how you perceive your daily life and interactions. So, we encourage you to look for those bright moments and share them with others. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.